refresh all the data. So basically, you have to go to any table, click on that side, go to refresh data. One by one, you can do it. Okay. So if you want to that automatically refresh, so simply you have to publish your report. Go to publish, save the changes. My work, my workspace select then publish. Okay. So go to Power BI service. Go to my workspace. This is what Geo Technosoft report. This is your report, which you can see on Power BI desktop. Here, Power BI Service Cloud Base. So, if you want to automatically flash or sync the data, basically you have to set a gateway. Okay. For set a gateway, you have to go settings, manage connections and gateways. Here you can set a gateway. So, set a gateway you can download Gateway Power BI. On-premises data gateway, you have to download it on your computer. So, and please remember that the email ID have been saved, in which you have to log in here in gateway. Email ID has been saved. So go to Power BI settings. After downloading it, here this is your report. Go to My Workspace, Geo Technosoft report. Go to Schedule Refresh. Here you can see the gateway connections. Select and apply. Then you can choose the refresh on. You can also select the time, 1 o'clock, 2, 3, and apply. So it automatically refresh. You can see the refresh history. Okay. So the basically gateway is very easy to use. It automatically refresh the data, sync the data. So you don't need to go to table wise table, refresh data. Gateway automatically refresh your data.